Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix do not disturb on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Firstly guys, what you have to do is just simply open settings and then scroll it down from here. Just simply tap on focus and then tap on do not disturb, and from here you have to tap on add schedule or automation. So you have to make new automation and then go back from here, and after that what you have to do is just simply restart your phone by pressing the combination of your device, and then what you have to do is just simply open settings again, and then what you have to do is just simply scroll it down and tap on general, and then you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. You have to tap on reset. From here you have to reset all setting and give your passcode, and from here you have to tap on reset all setting again. This will reset all setting, no data or media will be deleted. So after doing these tricks, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.